Escape to the country in this beautifully renovated 3 bedrooms, 2 bath farmhouse on 5 plus acres. This property features a large barn, pond, and trails for outdoor adventure. Additional features include a heated 2-car garage, new roof, AC, and negotiable equipment. This unique property blends modern comfort and country living, ready for you to move in and enjoy. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.